Hey everyone, if you want to install extensions on Vivaldi Browser in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to add extensions from the Chrome Web Store into Vivaldi. First, extensions are small tools that add extra features to your browser, like ad blockers, password managers, and productivity tools. Start by opening Vivaldi. Go to the Chrome Web Store in your browser. Now search for the extension you want. For example, Ad Blocker or Screenshot Tool. Click on the extension you want to install. Make sure it has good ratings and reviews. Now click Add to Chrome. Even though it says Chrome, it works perfectly in Vivaldi. A pop-up will appear asking for permissions. Click Add Extension to confirm. After installation, go to the Extensions menu to see your newly installed tool. You can pin extensions to the toolbar for quick access. This makes them easier to use. Click on the extension to manage permissions and settings. You can control what websites it can access. If you don't need an extension anymore, you can remove it from the extensions page. For best performance, only install extensions you actually use. Too many extensions can slow down your browser. A common mistake is installing too many extensions at once, which can cause slow performance or conflicts. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to install extensions on Vivaldi Browser in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.